Hi, I'm Sara Schroeder. I'm so excited to be here on Pass the Cast tonight. I was having some trouble getting in with Evie's, with her site, I guess. But anyway, I am from Iowa. I am a Peri girl. I run an in-home daycare. I also have a weight loss business. I have a, hi everybody, keep coming in. I love this. I also have a debt counseling business I do. I scope on positive living, just kind of things like that. I have been a Peri girl for, oh gosh, a couple months at least now, and then I joined the Peri Girl Heart Tribe. And I love the Peri Girls because it is so awesome to have just the community. It's the largest community. You can join right here, perigirls.com. Huge community of women empowering other women, which is awesome. And this is Pass the Cast. Hey, hi from Detroit. I'm in the Midwest. Please go ahead and share. Follow me, and I would love to see you guys on here all the time. Awesome! This is so fun. Let's see. So Peri Girls is a free online Facebook community that empowers women, and you can broadcast, and everybody's there to motivate you and help you. Chicago, hey, you're my neighbor. Hi, California, and it's fun. You can tap out the hearts, guys. Keep tapping out those hearts if you are having a party tonight. Yay! Okay, that's enough. That's good. And we're going to have Carrie Morgan up in a little bit. Wisconsin, Indiana. I'm from Iowa. I am Sara Schroeder. I am a life coach, mentor, positive living. I love to help people with weight loss. I help with debt counseling. My handle is Spicy Nanny because I do daycare and I love chili peppers, but I cannot eat them. I just like to look at them. So, oh, that was a bad one. And anyway, the Peri Girls, they have tips and training twice daily, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, heart support, all kinds of stuff. But anyway, it is awesome. So if you want to join the Peri Girls, you go right here, perigirls.com. And this is my first time on Pass the Cast. Yay! And I just want to give a shout out to Evie because she is the bomb. She is always busy getting everybody all set up, lined up, hearted up. She is just awesome. Yeah, I do have a remote like Drew Carey. Cha-ching! When I do an announcement, when I post, or when I'm scoping, I do this. Yes, Evie does work hard. I love it. Love it. You do need one of these. I might start selling these. I'm going to have a store called Spicy Nanny. Spicy Nanny's Treasures, since that's my handle. You guys are awesome. This is so much fun. So much fun. I got it. I'm not going to tell you where I got it because I might sell them. You come back to me and I'll get you one. So follow me if you want to get one of those, and I'll tell you where. And then make sure you share this. Drop the mic. I killed it. I love it, Evie. I suppose I have to go soon, huh? She's live. Carrie Morgan is live. Carrie Morgan. Follow Carrie Morgan. Yes, Evie is the bomb. Follow, share. Thank you. Yay. All righty, you guys. Let's go over. Did you say she is live? Miss Carrie Morgan, follow and share. That's right. Hi, everybody. Follow. And I'll tell you, I got this at TJ Maxx. There, I told you. $9.99. Yeah, that is fun, isn't it? What's it called? It is called a sound machine. Little sound machine. That's about all it says. But there's fun buttons on here. I could do a scope just on the buttons. Well, then there's this one. This one isn't nice. That's if you get something wrong, right? Carrie, are you live yet, girl? Thank you for friending me, Stephanie. I have so much fun with this. Carrie, throw up some emojis so people can follow you, girl. Carrie Morgan, throw up some emojis. Thank you. Yeah, it cracks me up too, I know. I like to have fun. Carrie Morgan, are you in the house? Tell me when she's live, guys. Keep giving me hearts if she's not live yet. Carrie Morgan, are you in the house? I don't know. Anyway, make sure you follow me. I scope in the mornings usually. Hey, Kara. I scope in the mornings usually on positive thinking, being grateful for things. I just love positive people. And I'm checking to see if she's live yet. I'm just pushing buttons. It's just fun to do. And I run an in-home daycare. That's why it's Spicy Nanny is my handle. I think I already said that. But so, you know, you're around little kids all day. You have to have some kind of laughter. What time do I usually scope? It's probably about 9... Or actually, no. I'm CST, Central Standard Time. Usually I scope about 8 in the morning. I don't know if Carrie's live yet. I could keep talking and keep showing you this little thing. I know I've got a lot of people on my automatic body weight loss team who want one of these. I could give those away in a contest sometime, huh? But anyway, follow the PeriGirls, pass the cast, and if you want to be on there, there's a form you can fill out to get on and do what we are doing here. I'm going to see, maybe she is live. We'll check. Got my little backup people here. No, but pass the cast. This is my first time doing it, and thank you very much for coming in and letting me do this. This was just awesome. I love this. Think she might be live, guys. Oh, Monique is up next. Follow Monique. Woohoo! Okay, go follow Monique. Come on, Monique. Is she in here? Everybody go follow Monique. Okay? Guess we'll wait a minute to see if she goes live. I don't know who's in here with me yet, but throw up some hearts if you're still in here with me. PeriGirls are the bomb. Woohoo! Thank you. Monique is coming on. And it is cold here in Iowa. It is like 3 degrees, I think. Cold, cold, cold. So as soon as we know she's live, we will hop off of here and go share some hearts from Monique. And I will follow you guys back when you follow me, just so you know, and I'll watch your scopes too. We're checking to see if she's live. Here they said I only had 5 to 8 minutes, but I think I've gotten longer than that. Oh, I think only one person is left. She must be live. Let's go see Monique. You guys ready? Ready? Okay, PeriGirls, pass the cast, follow Monique. Let's go!